Alright guys, you can see here we got a blizzard warning in effect for our North Texas Amarillo area. Right now it's 48 and it is raining and very windy outside, but it is expected to get down to it is expected to get down into the high 20s tonight, and we're supposed to get about 12 inches of snow tomorrow afternoon. So we'll keep an eye on it. Alright guys, just keeping you updated since the last video I made. You can see here the snow is still falling pretty hard. I'm trying to get a better view. If you could see over there, there's about a pretty big snowdrift over there by that fence. They're expecting to have snowdrifts that size around the streets here in a little while that could reach up to a foot. You can see it right there. See it right there with us that we got some snow buildup already too. Winds are still going pretty fast right now. You can see there. That's the snowdrift around our door. It is a little icy too. I don't know if you could see it, but that is ice. It is getting a little icy outside. We'll see how it all unfolds as the day goes on. I just thought I'd show this to you guys right now. You can see here it is completely white out conditions. You cannot even see across the road right now. This is complete white out. Complete white out right now. Snow is blowing at a very, very high speed right now. Folks, you can see that snow blowing across right now. It's shaking the car here. I mean, this wind is shaking the car. I have my headlights on right now. I have my brightest lights on right now, and I could still barely see ahead of me. This is truly a blizzard out here, folks.